Dear friends, today I shall take you on the tour of Hong Kong. After watching this video fully, you shall know everything about the one of the most beautiful cities, Hong Kong. This is a Chinese city but very different from other Chinese cities, a city which has retained its colonial touch. Hong Kong is a place with multiple personalities. The population is mainly Cantonese Chinese but British influence is quite visible. It is a unique destination that has absorbed people and cultural influences from places as diverse as Vietnam and Vancouver and proudly proclaims itself to be Asia's world city. Hong Kong has been a major destination for tourists and business people from around the world for at least a century. Today it is also a major tourism destination for China's increasingly affluent mainland population. It is an important air hub with connections to many of the world's cities. Hong Kong has a subtropical climate with at least one season to match your comfort zone. Boasting one of the world's best airports, it is the ideal stopover for those who wish to travel deeper into Asia. Hong Kong is the site of the original British settlement and the main focus of most tourists. Most of Hong Kong's highest skyscrapers and the financial center can be found here. Hong Kong Island is more modern and wealthy and considerably more prestigious than the other areas of Hong Kong. The Peak is the tallest point on the island, with the best views and highest real estate values in the world. Hong Kong Island gives the territory of Hong Kong its name and is the place that many tourists regard as the main focus. The parade of buildings that make the Hong Kong skyline has been likened to a glittering bar chart that is made apparent by the presence of the waters of Victoria Harbour. To get the best views of Hong Kong, leave the island and head for the Kowloon waterfront opposite. The southern side of the island has developed into an upmarket residential area with many large houses and expensive apartments with views across the South China Sea. The island's best beaches, such as Repulse Bay, are found here and visitors can enjoy a more relaxed pace of life than on the bustling harbour side of the island. Wan Chai and Causeway Bay are the most visited neighbourhoods on the northern side of the island. Kowloon is the peninsula to the north of Hong Kong Island. With over 2.1 million people living in an area of less than 47 square kilometers, Kowloon is one of the most densely populated places on the planet, and has a matching array of places to shop, eat and sleep. Tsim Sha Tsui, the tip of the peninsula, is Kowloon's main tourist drag and has a mix of backpacker and high-end hotels. Further north, Mong Kok has a huge choice of shops and markets in an area of less than a square kilometer. Kowloon side, as it is often known, managed to escape some of the British colonial influences that characterize the Hong Kong Island side. Kowloon real estate prices are the highest in the world, with multiple flats in West Kowloon setting world records with their multi-million-dollar prices thanks to their panoramic views of Victoria Harbour. The majority of Hong Kong's population are Ha Chinese, 95%, mostly of Cantonese ancestry, though there are also sizable numbers of other Chinese groups such as Chiuchao, Teoyus, Shanghainese and Haks. A significant number of Indians, Pakistanis and Nepalis live here too, and many have families that have lived in Hong Kong for several generations. Hong Kong has a humid subtropical climate. Summers are usually hot, lasting from June to September, with temperatures usually exceeding 30 degrees Celsius, while nighttime summer temperatures do not drop below 25 degrees Celsius. Winters in Hong Kong are generally very mild, with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees centigrade. Spring in Hong Kong is from March to May and autumn is from September to November with an average temperature of around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Autumn is considered a more comfortable season as spring tends to be more humid and rainy. Cantonese is the main language spoken by locals. The Hong Kong variant is mostly the same as in Guangzhou across the border, but tends to incorporate some English words and slang, which frequently sounds strange to other Cantonese speakers. English is a common second language. All official signs are bilingual in Chinese and English. Hong Kong International Airport, also known as Chek Lap Kok, is on Lantau Island in the west of Hong Kong. Designed by Sir Norman Foster, it has since been named World's Best Airport by Skytrax 8 times. Hong Kong has an excellent and cheap public transport system. It has mass rapid transit system by underground rail, bus, trams, ferries and light rail in addition to the local taxis. Hong Kong is not a bicycle-friendly place because of its hilly landscapes. You can get a stunning view of Hong Kong Island on Victoria Peak atop the giant, walk-shaped peak tower. Ever since the dawn of British colonization, the Peak hosted the most exclusive neighborhood for the territory's richest residents. The Peak Tower has an observation platform and a shopping mall with shops, fine dining, and museums. Among the other tourist attractions, you will find Ping Shan Heritage Trail passing by some of the most important ancient sites, the walled Hack village of Sang Tai UK, Fushin Street Traditional Bazaar as well as a number of temples including Chekung Temple, Man Mo Temple and the Temple of 10,000 Buddhas. In Kowloon you will find the Kowloon Walled City Park at the location of the former Kowloon Walled City. And on Lantau you will find the stilt houses in Tai O, Po Lin Monastery and the Tian Tan Buddha statue.
Kowloon also has a number of other interesting museums including Dialogue in the Dark, which is an exhibition in complete darkness where you should use your non-visual senses with the help of a visually impaired guide, the International Hobby and Toy Museum, which exhibits models, toys, science fiction collectibles, movie memorabilia and pop culture artifacts from around the world, Hong Kong Museum of Art, which is a fascinating, strange and elusive place exhibiting Chinese ceramics, terracotta, rhinoceros horn and Chinese paintings as well as contemporary art produced by Hong Kong
artists, Hong Kong Science Museum, primarily aimed at children, and Hong Kong Heritage Discovery Centre. Central also has its share of museums including Dr. Sun Yat-sen Museum, Hong Kong Maritime Museum, Hong Kong Museum of Medical Sciences, which shows how the healthcare system evolved from traditional Chinese medicine to modern Western medicine, and Hong Kong Visual Arts Centre. There is also a 3D museum from Korea called Trick Eye Museum Hong Kong. Hong Kong Disneyland Resort opened in September 2005. It is on Lantau Island. The resort features a Disneyland park, 2 resort hotels and a lake recreation center. It offers some great attractions and short queues most of the year. Ocean Park is on the southern side of Hong Kong Island. With roller coasters and large aquariums altogether, it is still packed on weekends with families and tourists. The cable car is an icon. For many, the chance to see Hong Kong's pandas would be a deciding factor. Young adults will be attracted to the wider range of rides. Ngongping 360 on Lantau Island is a Buddhist-themed park that features Imperial Chinese architecture, interactive shows, demonstrations, restaurants and coffee shops. The highlight of this trip is the longest cable car ride in Hong Kong that affords stunning views. The ride also takes you to the largest outdoor seated Buddha. Hong Kong's version of the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the Avenue of Stars celebrates icons of Hong Kong cinema from the past century. The seaside promenade offers fantastic views, day and night, of Victoria Harbour and its iconic skyline. You are never far from the sea in Hong Kong, and going to a good beach is only a bus ride away. You can rent a junk boat for a sailing trip. A typical junk boat can accommodate more than 30 people and can be rented for the day to take you on a tour of your choice. Regulated gambling is legal in Hong Kong. You can choose from horse racing, lottery, football betting and mahjong. Hong Kong dollar is the main currency. It is subdivided into 100 cents. As a general rule, tipping is not customary in Hong Kong, though people will not reject any tips you care to hand them. Fierce competition, no sales tax and many wealthy consumers all add up to make Hong Kong an excellent destination for shopping. Choices are plentiful at competitive prices. Look out for watches, camping equipment, digital items and special cosmetics. Shopping malls are everywhere in Hong Kong. Street markets are a phenomenon in Hong Kong, usually selling regular groceries, clothes, bags or some cheap electronic knockoffs. The reputation for being a shopping paradise is well deserved in Hong Kong, and, added to which, it is also a safe place to shop. Cuisine plays an important part in many people's lives in Hong Kong. Not only is it a showcase of Chinese cuisines with huge regional varieties, but there are also excellent Asian and Western choices. Chinese food is generally eaten with chopsticks. However, restaurants serving Western food usually provide a knife, fork and spoon. The cheapest food is in the popular street stalls. Most of the people working there do not speak much English and there is no English on the menu. As with the rest of China, tea is a popular beverage in Hong Kong, and is served at practically every eatery. Drinking out alcohol in Hong Kong can be expensive. Beer usually starts from $50 for a pint and more in a bar. Bottled water is readily available everywhere for a few Hong Kong dollars, and comes in mineralized and distilled varieties. Hotel rooms typically provide bottled water which should be used for drinking and the brushing of teeth if you are new to the region. With more than 50,000 rooms available, Hong Kong offers a huge choice of accommodation from cheap digs to super luxury. However, budget travelers who are spoiled by cheap prices in the rest of Asia are often shocked that the accommodation cost in Hong Kong is closer to that of London and New York. Overall, Hong Kong is one of the safest cities in Asia, with a large high-density population with diverse socio-economic backgrounds managed very effectively.